Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nada from H&N Gourmet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making an exquisite dish called Murgh Musallam. It's a traditional chicken dish from the Mughal era. Mughal dishes are such a treat because they're so rich and decadent in flavor. Let me show you how easy it is to make this royal dish. Start by adding 1 cup of yogurt in a blender. Next add in 1/4 cup of almond and cashew nut paste. I soaked a handful of almonds and cashew nuts in warm water for 10 minutes and then blended it into a smooth paste. Next add in 1 cup of fried brown onions. You can either use ready-made fried onions or you can make them fresh at home. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, then add in all the spices. We need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, which is allspice powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric. You can adjust the salt and spice level according to your taste. Now in goes everything. Blend everything well until it turns into a smooth paste. Paste is ready for marination. Take it out in a bowl. Now we need 1 whole chicken. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and make deep cuts like so. Now marinate the chicken with 4 to 5 tablespoons of the yogurt mixture and rub it well all over the chicken. Give it a nice little good massage. Traditionally, they stuff the whole chicken with rice or chicken mince or mutton mince and boiled eggs, but I'm making it without the stuffing. This is a simpler version of Murgh Musallam. After done marinating the chicken, deep fry the chicken until it gets a nice golden brown color. You can tie the chicken legs with a thread or secure it with some toothpicks. Do whatever is easy for you. Meanwhile, the chicken is frying. Let's make the gravy ready. Heat half cup of oil and then add in all the remaining marinade. Add 1 cup of water to it. Mix well, then cover and cook until it starts to boil. Once the mixture starts bubbling, add in half cup of cream, mix well, then again cover and cook until oil separates from the gravy. Chicken is done frying. It's got a beautiful golden brown color. It already looks mouth-watering. We're now going to add the chicken to the gravy. Cook for another 10 minutes. Lastly, add few drops of caviar essence. Cook for 2 minutes and it's ready to serve. Serve it with hard-boiled eggs. Instead of stuffing the chicken with eggs, I served it on the sides. So it's completely optional. Also, you can enjoy it with some butter naan or parathas along with some lemon wedges and some french fries. Now pour the leftover gravy on top. Garnish with some mint. You You can also serve this whole chicken over some plain rice or pulao and enjoy. Delicious Murgh Musallam is ready. It's such a simple recipe with simple ingredients and requires less effort to make it. This Murgh Musallam recipe definitely qualifies as a holiday-worthy dish. It's so soft and juicy, it's got a ton of flavor and is absolutely a delightful dish. So make sure you do give this recipe a try. Also, if you like this recipe, make sure to leave your feedback in the comment section below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, click that subscribe button. I've got more super easy and amazing recipes on my channel, so make sure to check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking!